Hello everyone, welcome once again. Yesterday we see about the some examples of the integration of the type integration by substitution. This example we can see the yesterday that integrate cos of root x. Sorry, this is not. I think this is the second example. We take first example from the solved that integration of cot of log x upon x, right? This example we completed yesterday. See this one, that integration of cos of root x upon root x. So if we put root x equals to t in the given function, so derivative of this 1 upon 2 root x dx equals to dt, that 1 upon root x dx equals to twice dt, and after substitution we get 2 is constant, therefore outside the integration, and 1 upon root dx is dt 2 dt, and cos of root x means t, so 2 is constant, so it is 2 integration cos t dt is obtained, and this 2 into integration of cos t is what, sin t plus c. So substitute the value of t, that is root x, so final answer is 2 sin root x plus c, right? Okay, see the next one, that third example, the integration of, see the next example, that is say integration of sec to the power 8x upon cosec x dx, right? So let I is equal to given integral sec to the power 8 can be written as sec to the power 7 into sec x and into 1 upon cosec x, then sec x is 1 upon cos x and 1 upon cos x is sin x, and sin upon cos is then tan x. Again sec to the power 7 is written as sec to the power 6 into sec x, and then put sec x equals to t, so its derivative is sec x into tan x equals to dt. So what do you get? See, after substitution, t to the power 6 into dt, and by using formula integration of x to the power n, the result is t to the power 7 upon 7 plus c, and resubstitute the value of t here, that is sec to the power sec x upon 7 plus c. This is the final answer here, right? Okay, so see the next example again. So integration of 1 upon x plus root x. So I is given integral, that is 1 upon x plus root x, and in denominator if we take root x common, what do we get? 1 upon root x into root x plus 1. Then put root x plus 1 equals to t. What do we get? 1 upon 2 root x dx equals to dt. Means 1 upon root x dx is twice dt, right? And after substitution, what do we get? 1 upon t into twice dt. Here 2 is constant, 2 outside the integral, and integration of 1 upon t dt. What is the integration of 1 upon t with respect to t? That is log t. So we get 2 times log t plus c. Now put the value of t, that is root x plus 1. So we got the answer 2 log root x plus 1 plus c, right? So this is the solution of this question. Then see the next one, that integration of 5 to the power x into 5 to the power x dx, right? So let I is given integral, put here 5 to the power x equals to t, we get 5 to the power x into log 5 dx equals to dt, means 5 to the power x dx equals to 1 upon log 5 dt. Put this substitution in the given integral, what we get? We get 5 to the power t into 1 upon log 5 into dt, right? 1 upon log 5 is constant, take outside the integral, so remaining is integration of 5 to the power t dt. So 1 upon log 5 into integration of 5 to the power t is 5 to the power t into 1 upon log 5, that is 5 to the power t upon log 5 plus c. Now put the value of t, that is 5 to the power x, so 5 to the power x plus c, and here 1 upon log 5 into 1 upon log 5, that is 1 upon log 5 whole square, right? So this should be the final answer, right? See the next one, that integration of 1 upon 1 plus e to the power minus x dx, right? So let I is given integral again, 1 e to the power minus x means 1 upon e to the power x, right? This adjustment is done. Then cross multiply here. 1 into e to the power x means e to the power x plus 1 upon e to the power x. Then this denominator of denominator is nothing but numerator, so goes to numerator, that is e to the power x upon e to the power x plus 1. Now substitute, or it is the standard form. Without substitution, here we solve the example that derivative of e to the power x plus 1 is e to the power x plus 0, that is e to the power x only. That means this is the standard form of f dash x upon f of x. So result is log of f of x, means log of e to the power x plus 1 plus c. This is the answer in this case, right? Then understand this one. Okay, then see the example number 7, that the integration of e to the power x into 1 plus x upon cos of x into e to the power x, right? So again let I is a given integral, then put x into e to the power x equals to t. When we differentiate this, what we get? X, according to product rule, x into e to the power x plus e to the power x into 1 equals to dt, right? See this one. So x into e to the power x, differentiating, what do we get? X e to the power x plus e to the power x into 1 dx equals to dt. Take e to the power x common, what do we get? X plus 1 dx equals to dt, right? Then substitute here, what do we get? That is integration of 1 upon cos t, and e to the power x into 1 plus x dx is dt, and 1 upon cos is sec t, and integration of sec t is what? Log of sec t plus tan t plus c, right? So this is the final answer in this example. See, once again we repeat this example. Let I is this given integral, put x into e to the power x dx equals to t. After differentiation, according to product rule, x into e to the power x plus e to the power x into 1 dx equals to dt. Take e to the power x common, we get x plus 1 dx equals to dt. After substitution, we get 1 upon cos t. 1 upon cos means sec t, and integration of sec t is log of sec plus tan t. And now put the value of t, that is x into e to the power x. So finally what we get? Log of sec x into e to the power x plus tan x into e to the power x, right? This is the answer, right? Then see the next one. What is integration of 1 upon 3x plus 7 into x to the power minus n dx, right? That I is given integral. Again here exponential function in negative form, so we have to simplify by considering it is positive, then cross multiply. After substitution, got the answer, right? Try to understand yourself this one. Okay, see the next one. Then this is the final answer for that question. Then question number 9, that integration of 3x plus 2 into root x minus 4 dx. So here direct put x minus 4 equals to t, so x equals to 4 plus t. After differentiation, what we get? Dx equals to dt. Okay, so what we get after substitution? 3 into 4 plus t plus 2 into root t. Now 3 into 4, that is 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 3 into t thrice t, t to the power 1 by 2. Then multiply with this, so what again? 14 into t to the power 1 by 2 plus thrice t into t to the power 1 by 2 means t to the power 3 by 2. Then separate the integral, or write the directly answer. 14 is the constant, and integration of t to the power 1 by 2 according to formula of integration of t to the power n, that is t to the power n by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1, and plus 3. Here also similar. So what do we get? 1 upon 3 by 2 means 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 2 by 3 into 14, that is 28 by 3, into t means x minus 4 to the power 3 by 2, plus again 1 upon 5 by 2 means 2 by 5. 2 by 5 into 3 means that is 6 by 5, into t is what? X minus 4, and to the power 5 by 2 plus c. So this is the final answer in this case, right? Try to understand this also. Okay, so see the next example now, that is integration of sine x plus a upon cos x minus b. So let I is given integral. See here what we have to do here. We have to adjust b in numerator, because denominator contains x minus b, so we have to convert numerator terms in terms of x minus b. So for that we have to subtract b and add b, right? Then if we see, we obtain the term in numerator is as a sine a plus b, so that is sine a into cos b plus cos a into sine b. Then separate the base like this, and sine x minus b upon cos x minus b means tan x minus b, and cos a plus b is constant, so this should be outside the integral, and plus cos x minus b here cancel, remaining is sin a plus b, right? So as I said you, cos a plus b is constant, take outside the integral, and integration of tan x minus b is log of sec x minus b, plus sin a plus b is constant here, and integration of dx is x plus c. This should be the final answer in this case, right? Then see the next one, that the integration of e to the power x plus 1 upon e to the power x minus 1, right? Again we have to adjust here numerator in terms of denominator. So denominator is e to the power x minus 1, so minus 1, if we take minus 1 here, then plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, right? Then separate the base, so e to the power x minus 1 upon e to the power x minus 1 plus 2 upon e to the power x minus 1. Then this is same term, cancel out, remaining is 1 plus 2 upon e to the power x minus 1. Then separate the integration, integration of 1 dx plus integration of 2 upon, take e to the power x common here, we get 1 minus e to the power minus x dx, right? And then this 2 is constant, remaining is what, e to the power minus x. How it is obtained? 1 upon e to the power x means e to the power minus x, and if we put 1 minus e to the power minus x equals to t, so derivative of this is what, minus e to the power minus x into minus 1 dx equals to dt, right? This minus minus plus means e to the power minus x dx equals to dt, right? So what is next then? I equals to integration 1 dx plus 2 into integration 1 by t dt after substitution. So integration 1 dx is x plus 2, and integration of 1 by t is log t plus c. So we get x plus 2 log t is 1 minus e to the power minus x plus c. This should be the final answer for this question, right? Then see the next example. Again integration of 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus tan x. So tan is nothing but sine upon cos, and if we cross multiply here, 1 into cos x minus sin x upon cos x, that denominator of denominator cos goes to numerator, right? Then adjustment of the root 2 is there, that multiplication and divider of root 2, so root 2 into 1 by root 2 cos x minus 1 by root 2 sin x, right? So root 2 से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड किया हुआ है. Then 1 by root 2 is constant outside the integration, and integration of cos x upon this value of cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So replace this 1 by root 2 by cos pi by 4, and this 1 by root 2 by sin pi by 4. This is according to our adjustment this is done, right? Then this is the form of cos a plus b, that is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So we remerge this one, so cos x plus pi by 4 is obtained, right? Then what is the next step here? See, now put x plus pi by 4 equals to t, so x equals to t minus pi by 4 is obtained. After differentiation we get dx equals to dt, and after substitution what do we get? 1 by root 2 integration of cos t minus pi by 4 upon cos t dt, and again use formula cos a minus b, so cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, right? Divided by cos t, and then separate the base, so cos t upon cos t cancel, and cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 plus sin t upon cos t tan t, and sin pi by 4 means 1 by root 2 dt, right? So integration of what we can see here, integration 1 by root 2 is constant in the both terms, so should be take outside the integral, so 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon root 2 this one, here remaining is only integration dt integration dt means t, and here integration of tan t, that is log of sec t plus a, right? Then substitute the value of t. What do you get? 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and t is x plus pi by 4. So substitute the value of t equals to x plus pi by 4, right? So in this way we will complete this example also. Then some examples are given in the text exercise, so try to solve that. And tomorrow we see the examples of this standard form of integration, that is integration of a cos x plus b sin x upon c cos x plus d sin x, right? So this is the standard form, and how we solve the examples of this type we see in the next lecture. Now you have to solve the examples of the exercise 3.2 and complete that, right?